You can easily use the library's search system to find rare books and other materials from Atkins Library's special collections. To start, enter search terms and click the search icon. On the search results page, scroll down to the library section under Modify Your Results. Select Special Collections and University Archives and click Apply Filters. This limits your search results to items that are part of special collections. Applying this filter means your results will be limited mainly to rare books and manuscript collections, which are collections that include the papers or records of individuals, families, or organizations. You can access both rare books and manuscripts in the Dalton Reading Room on the 10th floor of the library. Books will include a call number. This is the information you would need to provide in the reading room to get access to the book. Manuscript collections in the search system will include a link to the finding aid or collection inventory. Click the finding aid link to learn more about the collection. This page helps you get a sense of the types of papers in the collection and will help you identify materials you may be interested in viewing in special collections. For more information about special collections and finding rare books, archives, and other materials, please contact spec-call@uncc.edu.